Hi friends, it's Barry. Let's solve this maths puzzle. Samia set off on her bicycle to visit her friend, traveling at an average speed of 17 kilometers per hour. When she had gone half the distance to her friend's house, a tire went flat. She walked the rest of the way at 5 kilometers per hour. In all, it took her 44 minutes to reach her friend's house. So, in kilometers rounded to the nearest tenth, how far did Samia walk? So let's say Samia's house is here, friend's house is here. And we're going to draw a line connecting the two, like that. So when she had gone half the distance to her friend's house, so right in the middle, she had to walk at 5 kilometers per hour. So 5 kilometers per hour here. And initially, when she was riding on this bicycle, it was 17 kilometers per hour. So we have two speed for the two different sections of her journey. And let's say the first section of her journey is x, and the second section is also x. So x and x. And now we want to find out the time she took to reach from S to F in terms of x. All we have to do is to divide x by 17 and then plus x divided by 5. And we merge the fractions. 17 times 5 is 85. And we have 5x plus 17x. And that gives us 22x divided by 85. So this is the time Samia took to reach her friend's house in terms of x. Unfortunately for us, we are given the time she took, which is 44 minutes. But we are dealing with hours and kilometers here, so we have to convert the minutes into hours. So we divide by 60, and that gives us 11 divided by 15. All we have done here is to divide the top and the bottom by 4. So nothing has changed. Now, finally, we want to equate 22x divided by 85. We want to equate this to 11 divided by 15, and we want to solve for x. So we can divide both sides by 11. So we have 2x, 85 equals 1 divided by 15. And then, so 2x is equal to 85 divided by 15, which is 17 divided by 3. Is 17 divided by 3? Yeah, 17 divided by 3. And then, so we have 2x equals 17 divided by 3 now. Now be careful what the question is asking. It's asking how far did Samia walk? So we are only focused on this part of the journey where she walked, whereas the first part she was cycling. So we don't want to find 2x, we actually want to find x, right? So 17 divided by 6, and that is, what is it, 17 divided by 6, so 6 times 2 is 12, so 5, 50, so around 2.8 kilometers is how far she walked. So you can see the 2.8 here. And of course, the total distance of her journey would be around 5.6 because it's 2x. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.